Hello students, welcome to our maths period. Today we will start our new lesson, division. So what is division? The little idea about division you have, as we have studied the division in our previous class. So division is the sharing or distributing a group of things or objects equally. The things that we have, that we distribute equally among the available people. So in that, the first method is given, division is repeated subtraction. This method we have studied in our last class or previous class. So example is given, let us divide 15 by 5. So we have to divide 15 by 5, and for that the theme or the example is given. There were 15 tomatoes and every day 5 tomatoes were used for cooking. So how many tomatoes are there? 15. As we have to divide 15, so there are 15 tomatoes in the given plate, and each day, on every day, we use 5 tomatoes. So how many days that tomatoes will used, that we have to find. So on first day, from 15 tomatoes, 5 tomatoes are used. So 15 minus 5 is 10. So that is on first day. Now, how many tomatoes are left in the plate? 10 tomatoes. So on second day again, 10 minus 5, as 5 tomatoes are used on second day. So 10 minus 5. So how many will left? 5. Now on second day this, how many tomatoes left in the plate now? 5. As we have used 5 tomatoes on second day, now 5 tomatoes only left in the plate. So 5 minus 5, that we are used on third day. So 5 minus 5 is 0. So how many days we use that tomatoes? On up to 3 days. So answer is what? 15 by 5. 15 divided by 5, answer is 3, as 5 3s are 15. So answer is 3. How many steps we have taken here? 3. 1, 2, 3. So answer is 3. This method we have seen in our second standard. Now tomatoes are not left. So notice that 5 is subtracted 3 times from 15, or there are 3 5s in 15. So 15 divided by 5. So you have to count the table of 5 until 15. Still you get the number 15. So 5, how many is a 15? 5 3s are 15. So 3. So the first number in the division called as dividend, the second number called divisor, and the answer is called as quotient. So the 15 here dividend, 5 is divisor, and 3 is quotient. Now second method is what? Division on the number line. So this is also we have seen. See, example is given, divide 20 by 5. So on the given number line, how many numbers we will take? 20. So 0 to 20 numbers are given. So as 20 divided by 5, so first we will go for 20. So where is the 20 in the given number line? At last position, right? So 20, and how many steps we will take? That is 5. So leaving this number, don't count this number. So from this, count from its next. So leaving this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As we are dividing by 5, so how many numbers you will count here? 5. So we got the number 15. So we'll take first jump from 20 up to 15. That is your first jump. Okay. Now again, leaving this number, how many number you will count? Leaving 15, 5 you will count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is your, now 15 to 10 is your second step or the second jump. Now 10, leaving 10, how many steps you will go? 5 steps. So leaving 10, don't count 10, from 9. 1 2 3 4 5. So as we are reach here 5, so we will take third jump from 10 to 5. That is your third jump, and then leaving 5, count the next 1 2 3 4 5. So this is your fourth jump. Until you reach 0, you have to take a jumps in the division. So how many steps we have taken from 20 to 0? That is 4. 1 2 3 4. So your answer is 4. Means 5 how many is a 10? 5 how many is a 20? 5 4s are 20. So 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. Understood? So with that, we'll start our exercise 2.1. The first question is given, divide by repeated subtraction. In that, the first sum is given 28 divided by 7. So how you will do? You will write over here 28 by using repeated subtraction method. So you will give minus 7. So what is the answer? 28 minus 7 is 21. Right? Now you will take answer as your number 21 minus again 7. So 21 minus 7 is 14. Now this answer you will take as a number in the next subtraction. So 14 minus 7. So 14 minus 7 is 7. Now this answer as again number for the subtraction, 7 minus again 7. So what is the answer here? 0. So you have to do the subtraction until you reach to 0, or your subtraction answer will be 0. So how many subtractions you have taken? 1 2 3 4. So how many? 4. So your answer is here 4. 7 how many is a 28? 7 4s are 28. So 4. I hope you understand this method. Now next is (48) divided by 8. So subtract 48 as subtraction method is given. So we will subtract 48 minus 8. So what will be the answer? 40. Again this answer you will take as a number for next subtraction. 40 minus again minus 8. So 40 minus 8 is 32. Now again 32 minus 8 is how many? 24. Right? Now 24 minus 8 is 16. Now again 16 minus 8 is 8, and 8 answer you will take as a number again. 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. So finally we got the answer 0 over here. So how many steps we have taken? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 8 how many is a 48? 8 6 are 48. So your answer is over here 6. How many times you have done the subtraction? That answer you have to write. That means here we have subtract 8 how many times? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So answer is 6. So I hope you can do the C and D sum. Now we'll go for question number 2. Answer the following. In that the first question is given, how many 4s are there in 24? So what you will do, you will count the table of 4 up to 24. So 4 how many is a 24? 4 how many is a 24? 4 6 are 24. So how many 4s are there? 6 4s are there in 24. So answer is 6. Right? Now next, how many 7s are there in 35? So you will count the table of 7 up to 35. So 7, how many are 35? 7 5s are 35, right? So your answer is 5. You have to count the given number in the table. So how many 7s are there in the 35? So you will count the table of 7 up to 35. So at which place that number we got, that is your answer. So as we found the 35 in 5th place in 7's table, 7 5s are 35. So your answer is here 5. Now next is how many 6 are there in 36? So you will count the table of 6 up to 36. So 6, how many are 36? That will be your answer here. Next is third, divide on the number line. Number lines are given and you have to divide the sum. So 18 divided by 9. So first number is here what? 18. So find the 18 on the number line. Where is 18? Here. So from this step we'll start our division. So 18 from this point. So point there. Now 18 divided by 9. So how many steps you will take? 9 steps by leaving this number. Leave 18, don't count it. So by leaving 18, start 9 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Where we reach? On 9. So we'll take first jump from 18 to 9. So this is your first jump from 18 to 9. Now leave 9 and count next 9 steps. So leave 9, don't start your counting from 9. By leaving 9 you have to count the 9 steps. So leave 9. So now from 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we got 0. So until 0 we have to do this. So we got the 0 here. So your second step is here 9 to 0. That is your second step. So how many jumps we have taken here? 1 and 2. So your answer is what? 2. So 9, how many is 18? 9 2s are 18. So answer is 2. Next is what? 20 divided by 2. So first number you have to find on the number line. Where is 20? Here on last position. 20. So and how many steps you will take? 2 steps you will take. So from 20, don't count 20 for the steps. By leaving 20, 1, 2. Where we reach? On 18. So this is your first step. Now again leave 18, take another 2 steps. 1, 2. Where we reach? On 16. So this is your second jump. Now leave 16 again and go to next 2 steps. 1, 2. So where we reach now? On 14. So this is your third jump. Now from 14, don't count 14. So take next 2 back steps. So 1, 2. Where we reach? 12. So this is your fourth. Now don't count 12. Go to 2 step backward. 1, 2. Where we'll reach? 10. So fifth jump. Then leaving 10, next 2. 1, 2. So where we reach? On 8. So from 10 to 8, this is our sixth jump. Until 0 we have to go this. Now leaving 8, take 2 step backward. 1, 2. Seventh. Now leaving 6, 1, 2. That is 8. Now leaving 4, 2 step backward, 1 2, that is 9th, and leaving 2, don't count it, take 2 steps back, 1 2, that is 0 we got. So how, which jump now? 9 after 10. So what is the answer over here? 20 divided by 2, as no place is there, so I am writing here 20 divided by 2 is equal to 10. As 10 jumps are there, so 10. So 2 how many is a 20? 2 tens are 20. So answer is what? 10. So this is how you will do the division on number line, and by repeated subtraction method you can do the division. So I hope you can do C and D sum.